Okay, so blah, don't like it. So made some more crimson. Too much brown in this. I'm going to use the same cup. I don't think it's going to do any harm. Put some crimson in there. Don't want to put the yellow next to it. I pulled out some purple. This is a violet. Put some of that in there. A little bit of yellow next to that. It's kind of a dangerous concept. I don't know if I have any of my... Yep, there is a little of this left. Not a lot. A little bit more crimson. Go with this emerald green. And a little bit more violet. Okay, that's not quite enough to cover, but we'll try it again, see what happens. See if we get a better contrast, less brown. Seems like you always go with brown when you're decorating, like with your carpet and sometimes your furniture if you're using wood furniture. And it's like you want to go with something brighter that's going to contrast with that. I don't want brown paintings on my walls too. So let's see how this turns out. That moving. Boop. Okay. And I just wanna, for some reason, do that. I don't know why. Well, let's see what happens. Okay, ooh, looks like I got a little water on the canvas there. Now this is pretty cool. Bring this down. Bring it down here. Open up some of those lines. I'm trying to set this in a way that you're not getting a complete glare off of my light that's on the side there. Bring it back down this way a bit. Really love the way that swirl is right there in the corner. Okay. Sorry if you can't see this. I saw something in there, now I can't see it. Oh, there it is. See if I can get that out of there. Okay. Tilt the this around a little bit more. It still looks like it's moving quite a bit. Seeing some pretty cool lacing over here in the red and yellow. That's interesting. Okay. Now I really like this here. I really like that. It's really cool. Pretty cool over here. Tilt it this way a bit and see if it'll move for me. Not seeing very much paint moving. Okay. There we go. Ooh. Careful, careful. There. I want to move this down a little bit. There's so much yellow up here, and this is kind of muddied yellow here. There we go. I like that. I like that. Okay, I'm going to give it a torch. See if there's any air bubbles in here. See if I can get some of this lacing to come up through. My hands a little bit there. Okay. Pretty happy with that now. Thanks for sticking around, guys. Sometimes it takes a little bit more than one pour to get what you're looking for. I don't know what to even call this. It's just really awesome. That purple right there where he meets the yellow. It's cool. It's very cool. I had some little bit of lacing in here. And this green and purple just looks so awesome together. Thanks for visiting with me, guys. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Doesn't cost you a thing to do that. It helps me out quite a bit. I'll see you next time. Bye.